This was inside the mine, it's like a fortune cookie. You look splendid today, Ali.
In each row there is exactly one mine. So you have 6 rows and 6 mines. There is only one wire from landing pad to landing pad, meaning the wire does not tell you where the mines are. It's really impossible to tell.
Yeah, I have a die, and actually there's a reason why it's called die. It's gonna lead me to death, probably.
Please start dying
My
now.
johno!
Yeah! Oh, it's a 2!
2 dots, I can go to the second row now.
Make a decision now. Helicopter survive! Yeah! It's the 3, ladies and gentlemen! It's the 3! Once again! It's the 1, ladies and gentlemen! It's exploded!
A great success lies behind you.
Luki, you have a very special bird. Oh, it's so tiny. What do you think is gonna happen when it lands on a mine?
Oh God. I don't like to know. I don't like to know.
It's a wife, ladies and gentlemen! The ladybird's a wife! It's destroyed!
Where is my lady?
It's destroyed! Nothing is left! Nothing is left!
I do not think it's in there. I do not think it's in there.
This was too much for Ladybird.
It's amazing!
What's it saying, Luki?
Don't be afraid of the future.
It's the 2! Yeah, you did it! It's the 3! Great! Congratulations to Johno! It's the 1! Only 1 row!
Row 0! 0 Let me see, what is the fortune cookie? Have a nice day!
Have a nice day.
Yeah, don't put it on the mine. Don't put it on the mines.
I don't know, it's here.
Just put it somewhere. Just not on mines.
Sweet! Sweet! Winner! 2-time winner! Who the fuck put the mine in the landing bed?
What a ride! What a ride! Absolutely amazing!
Sorry. Wrong row.
It was a little fun, a little bit of fun, right?